Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about a guide to transitioning to a virtual data room. So first of all, we need to know what is a VDR. A VDR is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents. VDRs are typically used during merger and acquisition, fundraising, other business transactions, and where multiple parties need to have access to sensitive information. Why transition to a VDR? There are a number of benefits to transitioning to a VDR, including security. VDRs offer a high level of security for confidential documents. Data is encrypted at rest in transit. The VDRs typically have a number of other security features in place, such as access control and audit trails. Then convenience. VDRs are convenient for both buyers and sellers. Buyers can access all of the relevant documents in one place. Seller can easily manage who has access to which documents. And cost effectiveness. VDRs are a cost effective way to share confidential documents. There are a number of affordable VDR providers available, and VDRs can help to reduce the cost associated with the due diligence and business transactions. How to transition to a VDR? Here is step by step to guide on how to transition to VDR. Choose a VDR provider. There are a number of different VDR providers available, so it is important to compare their features and pricing before you make a decisions. Then set up your VDR account. Once you have chosen a VDR provider, you will need to set up your VDR account. This includes creating user accounts, setting up permissions, and uploading the necessary documents. Communicate with your team and client. Let your team and clients know that you are transitioning to a VDR and explaining the benefit of using a VDR. Train your team on how to use the VDR. It is important to train your team on how to use a VDR before you start using it for business transaction. This will help to ensure that everyone knows how to use the VDR effectively and securely. Start using VDR for business transaction. Once your team is trained on how to use the VDR, you can start using it for business transaction. Be sure to monitor the VDR regularly and make sure that everything is working properly and the documents are secure. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips for transitioning to a VDR. Start planning early. The more time you have to plan your transition to VDR, the smoother the transition will be. Get buy-in from your team and clients. It is important to get buy-in from your teams and clients early in the process. This will help to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that the transition is successful. Be patient. It may take some time to transition to a VDR, especially if you have a lot of documents that needed to be uploaded. Be patient and work with your VDR provider to make the transition as smooth as possible. In last conclusions, transitioning to VDR can be a great way to improve the security, convenience, and cost effective of your business transaction. By following the tips above, you can transition to a VDR successfully and reap the many benefits that VDRs offer. So that's all I have. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again. Bye everyone.